Hey, I'm Shane from Heatshield Products, and today I've got our FR Shield Kit. That's a fuel rail shield kit. And I'm gonna shield these fuel rails from a 2018 Mustang GT. So we'll see how this goes. It's a good idea to do this. You can cool your fuel. You know, these usually sit in an area where it's kind of like an oven, so it's definitely beneficial. So we have two kits. This one is the kit for 2 fuel rails, and we have another kit for 1 fuel rail. And you get your tape and your sticker and your 2 pieces of material. This is our thermoflex cloth. It's aluminumized and the little fiberglass backing. So the first thing we'll do here is take one of our patterns. I already made these just to speed things up, and we'll just trace this out and then use some scissors and cut it out. I'm just going to take my scissors and cut this out. Okay, now I've got that all cut out. Now I'm going to stick this on with my tape. I'm going to cut a little piece of tape to hold it in place. It might be a good idea to cut a few pieces of tape and then just have them ready to go here. One more here. All right, so that's it. I'm all finished up. I'm all covered. I'll just repeat the process on the other side, and then we'll have an insulated fuel rail. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe.